ay kabilang sa pamilya ng damo o grass. Amazing na halaman dahil napakarami nitong benefits mula sa matitibay nitong katawan na ginagamit sa paggawa ng bahay hanggang sa mga dahon nitong mayaman sa antioxidants. Taxonomy. Bamboos have long been considered the most basal grass genera mostly because of the presence of bractate, indeterminate inflorescence, and flowers with 3 lodicules, 6 stamens, and 3 stigmata. Bambusae spinosa, also known as B. blumina, spiny bamboo or thorny bamboo, although in this respect it may be confused with bambusa. Bambus is a species of clumping bamboo. Bamboos are a diverse group of mostly evergreen perennial flowering plants making up the subfamily Bambusidae of the grass family.